where I'm going, and it looks very exciting and beautiful and peaceful. And
grave one day, I hope you know that I did not go. For I am right here in this lovely place. I'll hear your words, I'll see your face. So please don't worry, because I am safe here. The air is clear here, God is up here. All alone, the song's a long time ago. Yeah, I learned to grow, I learned to show. All within. So please, please carry on. Say your prayers, I'll come tonight. We all die.